What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I found this really cute protective style. I'll leave a link to her video in the description below, and I really love this protective style, so I said, oh my gosh, I have to do it. Like, it looked really simple, really easy, and I am going to be trying it out on my hair. I felt that it's going to be pretty easy, and I love easy. So if you love easy protective styles, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to need is a string. I normally use a string to pull all my hair up in one, and I would use bobby pins, but I can't find them, so I have a few hairpins that I will be using. And I'll also need a brush so that I can brush my hair up and make sure that it's completely detangled. So the first thing you're going to do is put your hair in one.
For the kid. Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me.
And then we are going to have one section in the middle.
Friends I had for years, all traded in on me. Storms raged in on me, hell came down on me. Nothing left to lose, life caved in on me.
And then I am going to take section at a time. Make sure it's detangled. And then I'm going to be rolling and tucking. Roll, tucking, and pinning.
Fam, I thought was cool, all walked out on me. Luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way, lights went out on me. Change caved in on me, nothing is saving me. But in my mind, I'm alive, 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 alive. Like a champion, no. I know. I am champion, give. I give. Like a champion, I survive. I am champion. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam, I thought was cool, all worked out on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam, I thought was cool, all worked out on me.
Okay. Looks good from the back.
Everything hard on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me.
Okay guys, so this is the final look for this super size, oversized high bun on my natural hair. I hope you liked it. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll have lots more natural hairstyles to come. And if you haven't checked out my previous natural hairstyles, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, so you can definitely check it out. This is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.